What's going on, guys? In this video we're going to talk about, is a break-even week bad? We're going to be talking about consistency. Is a break-even week bad for your account and the overall growth over a long period of time? If this is the first time you've ever been to the channel, I do a lot of stock market videos. I teach people about the markets, what I trade, how I'm able to profit, and my wife Sam actually does affiliate marketing videos. So we would ask you to subscribe to the channel, hit that bell notification so you'll be alerted when we do release new videos. And let's go ahead and get into the content. So this week I broke even, made a few trades, I broke even for the week. Is breaking even a bad thing? Now, I've talked in many videos before about your capital preservation. Everything about growing a stock market account is about keeping the reds off the table. If you can have your 15% weeks and you can have your 20% weeks, and then your bad weeks is like 1, 2, 3% break even, something like that, you're going to exponentially grow your account over the long period of time. And that's what I want to stress in this video. I'm going to show you, kind of like break down the things that I was looking for and actually what happened with the markets and why I did break even. But what I'm wanting to stress to you is breaking even for the week isn't a bad thing. It's about not having the 20% loss week or 3 weeks consistently of 5% losses. You're having a break-even week is not bad at all. Okay, you're gonna have them. If you can have your bad weeks as break-even and then your good weeks at 15-20%, you can obviously know that you're going to grow your account exponentially. So I'm going to pop in here and show you like how much my account is up since November. So alright, so I'm up 112% since November in my overall account. So if you break that down, it's February 23rd. So we've had 4, I'd say it's probably like so 4, December before 8, 12, so about 15 weeks. So 112 divided by 15, about 7.4% a week. That's about the average. So that's doable. You know, if you've invested in the stock market before, you know 7.4% a week. If you can average that consistently, it winds up being 112% since November. So that's kind of like my average since November. So I have traded a little bit of crude oil and also natural gas this week. And we've hit this channel up here at the top that I talked to on the weekly breakdown. We hit that top channel, exactly what I was looking for, except every time we've ever hit this channel in the past in these bounces, there's a big sell-off for oil. Right there's a hit. There's a big sell-off. Okay, just making sure you can see what I'm saying. So after it hits that channel, there's a big sell-off, and after it hits this channel, there's a big sell-off. After it hits this channel, it's a big sell-off. And guess what happened this time? It hit this top channel and it barely sold off. And this was mainly during the middle of the night. And then it climbs back up to the top of this channel again. It's not really wanting to break down. It may break down over, Sunday, which is something you're going to have to look for. But really what I saw in the markets this week was, it was really a bull pullback market. Meaning, there was only slight pullbacks, and on those slight pullbacks, you should have bought the bull. You should have bought with the stock market going up. As you can see, this is the stock market here. This is overall market, or this is the S&P 500 mini. This is the future for the S&P 500, and you can see, we've had a lot of volatility in the market the last few months, and then this week you can see it's just flatlined. It's a slight uptrend flatline. And that's the reason why I struggled this week. There was like no volatility. The ups and downs wasn't there, and what I was looking for. So I traded a little bit of natural gas as well. but like I say, the volatility just wasn't there, and whenever it reached resistance zones and you were expecting big pullbacks, it just didn't happen. So if you were to buy the bulls on these slight pullbacks, you would have done all right. You could have possibly made at least the percentage that you needed to make for the week. But I was, in my mind, I was playing the way the market's been as of late. The big pullbacks and stuff. So the main focus in this video is the break-even week for the stock market. Is it bad? Absolutely not. Okay, you got to take the good with the bad. Last week I was 15.2%. This week I had a break-even week. So if you were to divide those by two, I mean, even the week before that, I think I've done pretty good. I had a 32% week one week. So I'm really focusing on keeping the big reds off the table to see how my account grows over the next 6 months by doing that. So that's pretty much all I wanted to focus on in this video. Again, if you haven't had a chance to subscribe to the channel, I do the stock market, Sam does affiliate marketing. Please do so. Subscribe to us now. That way you'll be able to get all of our future videos, and also hit that bell notification to stay up to date when we do release new videos. So that's pretty much it. We want to teach you how to make some extra money from home, whether it's stock market or if you're more into what Sam's doing with affiliate marketing. Just stay up to date with us, hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you on the next video. Take care.